Need a powerful and customizable payment gateway for your Shopify store? In this video, I'll walk you through configuring Stripe to accept payments on your platform. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. While Shopify Payments is built in, some merchants prefer Stripe for its specific features and API. Adding it is straightforward. First, from your Shopify admin, go to Settings and then Payments. In the Third-Party Payment Providers section, you'll find Stripe in the list. If you don't see it, use the drop-down to select it. You'll need to click Activate and will be prompted to connect your existing Stripe account or create a new one. You'll have to enter your Stripe account credentials to link the two platforms. Once connected, you can configure specific settings like whether to process payments manually or automatically. Stripe will then be a live payment option for your customers at checkout. A crucial pro tip: remember that using a third-party provider like Stripe will subject you to Shopify's transaction fee on each order, even if you're on a basic plan. Weigh the specific benefits of Stripe against this additional cost for your business. And just like that, you've integrated one of the most developer-friendly payment gateways available. Configuring Stripe gives you advanced control over your payment workflow. Do you prefer using Stripe over other payment providers? Tell us why below. To tap into mobile wallets, subscribe for our next video on how to accept Apple Pay on Shopify. Thanks for watching.